Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding the new login contact. Go straight to Settings, then Contact Info and add the email or phone you want to use. Once added, check your inbox or SMS for the verification code and enter it immediately. This proves you control the new contact and allows Facebook to accept it as a login. Make sure the new address is active, otherwise the next steps will fail. Once verified, you can promote it to primary login in the same menu. Now make the verified contact your primary login so Facebook accepts it for signing in. In Account Settings, find Contact Info, tap the new entry, and choose Make Primary. Facebook will switch login preference. You must keep at least one confirmed contact, so do not delete the old one yet. Once primary is set, test signing out and back in using the new email or phone to confirm everything works. If you use two-factor or app passwords, update them to recognize this new primary contact. Finish by removing the old email or phone if you want it gone. Only delete it after the new contact is primary. If you encounter login issues, clear browser cache and cookies, or use the password reset to the new contact. If Facebook locks you out, use Trusted Contacts Recovery or follow Facebook's identity verification to regain access. Upload an ID if requested. Make sure you have two-step authentication set up to prevent lockouts, and keep at least one recovery contact verified.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.